As part of their proposed agitational program, members of the HYNNIEWTREP Integrated Territorial Organization or Hito, Jaintia Hills Circle had publicly opposed the irresponsibility of the MDA government in looking into the welfare of the people of the district. Members of the organization had displayed a poster of the MDA leaders at one of the open dumping grounds within municipality limits. The HYNNIEWTREP Integrated Territorial Organization has also given a fortnight's notice to the state government to remove the municipal board from the district and hand over its responsibilities once again to the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, as they had alleged that by not having a proper system for the dumping of waste products, the municipality board is displaying its inability to do its job well.
Laprang ni, laprang ni.